Imagine yourself in a giant maze of software courses. You enter with high hopes, but soon find yourself lost and confused in the complex menus, buttons, and tools. Trying to find the right way to learn feels impossible. You might find a few helpful tips here and there, but ultimately you are left frustrated and unsure where to go next. You see them everywhere. Ads of courses promising to turn you into a software wizard. But are these courses really worth your hard-earned cash? As someone who's been in the field of architectural graphics from quite some time, let me tell you, there is a better way to learn softwares. And today, we're going to ditch the maze and explore the world of softwares with a much more sensible and exciting way. So hello guys, I am Shashank and you're watching me on Stancreates YouTube channel. Now before you click away thinking I'm some sort of hater, just hear me out. I'm not saying all the tutorials are bad. Some tutorials might be good. They might give you some helpful tips. They might explain some complex feature to you. Or they might just help you find the damn button. But here is the thing. Software is a tool, not a magic trick. You can learn all the fancy features in the software and you're not able to apply them to the real world problems, then what is the point of it? Think about it in this way. You will not take a cooking class just to learn how to use a knife, right? You need to practice chopping, experiment with vegetables, ingredients and spices to develop your own culinary style one day. Now the big question is, how do you learn specific softwares without solely depending on the courses available online? And here is my secret weapon. It is learning by doing. Find a project that excites you. Maybe a dream house design. Maybe a futuristic cityscape. Anything that pushes your creativity. Dive in with the softwares you want to master. Get your hands dirty. Make mistakes. We all do. And most importantly, have fun. The internet is your playground. You will find plenty of free resources available online. Documentaries, dedicated forums, and YouTube channels just like mine. Surround yourself with other architects and designers. Share your work with them and learn from each other. This community approach can be much more helpful for you to learn any software than a pre-recorded course. So lastly, I'm not saying all the software courses on the internet are bad, but before you invest your money in it, just think about it. Can it be learned through good old-fashioned exploration and practice? Remember, mastering a software is not a destination, but it is a journey. Embrace the learning process and have fun. And who knows, you might surprise yourself with what you achieve. So I hope you all are ready now to ditch the maze and explore the worlds of softwares, become software pro by the good old-fashioned DIY way. Also, make sure to let me know in the comments what softwares you will be conquering after this video, and make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more architectural content like this. And until then, keep creating.